Okay. Thanks for that great intro, Paula. And yep, I've worked with Paula for a long time, and she's a wonderful person. Always positive, full of energy, and no matter what's coming her way. Today, we're talking about this challenge of talent in your organisation, because it's, particularly in any professional service firm, the people make the difference. You've got to work out how to get ahead of the curve on the people stuff. And that's where we've been playing in HR Coach for a long time. That's me. That's an old photo of mine. You'll see I now wear glasses and my forehead's got bigger, which means my hair's receding. There's my contact details. And at the end of this, if you do need to talk to us about some of the stuff we introduce you to, please give us a call or drop me an email. And look, we'll get back to you. And if you need to contact a local coach, we'll suggest who you might want to talk to, because we've got a lot of them. We've only got 90 of them. They're spread around every state and every capital city, and lots of regional centres as well. So if you need to talk to someone locally, we've probably got one. Look, our whole mantra is to align activity and action of the people with the strategy of the business. We know from our own research over many years that some businesses have high levels of strategy, some low. Some businesses have a high level of activity, some not so good. And it's the alignment of activity with strategy that counts. When people get that right, then everyone's tuned up, lined up for success. Discretionary efforts, like people running at 95%, 100% discretionary effort, great return for the business. When people have high levels of activity not linked to anything, or disaffected, or not lined up, they're running around in a circle there, gerbils on a wheel, busy being busy, often not finishing anything. If we look at high strategy, no activity, typical of a startup, and low activity, low strategy, danger of exiting the market, often when they've been in the red zone, lost a couple of their key people, and in trouble in terms of going out. So look, the challenge in this is, in our research ongoing for 20 years now, 48% of businesses in Australia sit in the red zone. Only 22% sit up here in the yellow and green, and 14 and 16 left top, left bottom. So look, you got to find out whether you're in the red, and that's about how your people are lined up with the purpose and the strategy of your business. It's core to your success ongoing. That's what we measure. Been measuring it forever. If you're not using our measures, as long as you've got tools that are measuring the alignment of your people with your strategy, you're a long way in front of most people, most businesses. That's what else we do. We try and make HR simple, because we are simple people ourselves, and it's all about measure where you are, put a plan in place, make certain you've got the processes, systems, and governance and compliance under control, then worry about driving performance improvement outcomes and workplace improvement. You need the right-hand side to minimise the stress in your business, but ultimately you need to be over here in the green zone to maximise sustainability or growth or success, or even sustainment at the moment, in terms of the funny challenges of the labour market, which we'll be talking about today.